Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a payment for your Amazon store card. This is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your store card payments directly through Amazon's website, keeping your account in good standing without having to navigate through separate banking portals. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main Amazon page where you can access all your account features. Now hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Account from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage various settings and preferences. On the account page, click on Your Payments. This section houses all your payment methods, gift cards, and any credit accounts linked to your Amazon profile, including your Amazon store card. Although I don't have an Amazon store card payment option available on my account, I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're in the Your Payments section, find your Amazon store card listed among your payment options. It should be clearly labeled and easy to identify. Next, click Make a Payment. This option allows you to schedule and submit payments directly to your store card balance. It's a convenient way to ensure your payments are processed quickly without needing to visit a separate payment portal. On the payment page, enter your payment amount and bank information. Make sure the amount you're entering is accurate and that your bank details are correct to avoid any processing delays or errors. This step is crucial for ensuring your payment goes through smoothly. Finally, click Submit Payment. Once you do this, your payment will be processed and you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been successfully submitted. You may also receive an email confirmation for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully made a payment for your Amazon store card directly through your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.